The Nigerian Institution of Civil Engineering, NICE, Lagos branch, has reiterated its commitment to stamp out quacks and ensure a drastic reduction in the incidence of building and infrastructural collapse. The Lagos chairman of NICE, Engineer Faith Oko-Ukoni, who led a walk against building and infrastructural collapse on Saturday, called for more collaborative efforts with all stakeholders in the built industry so as to support the clarion call by maintaining standards of all structures. She maintained that more advocacy would be put in place that will open the minds of Nigerians against the patronage of quacks. On her part, the General Manager, Lagos State Materials Testing Laboratory, Engineer Olayinka Abdul, while speaking against building collapse from all form, noted that despite the fact that construction materials are subject to fluctuations in price and availability, Nigerians should ensure consistent quality of their products, which is paramount for the safety and longevity of structures. Engineer Abdul said the construction of any form of edifice is heavily influenced by the cost of raw materials, labor, and logistics, but with quality products and zero compromise, the industry players would make profits. Some of the speakers enjoined all agencies in built industry to maintain adequate monitoring as a guide to ensure product quality.
Work for building an infrastructure collapse, and we termed it an awareness to talk to the populace about the reason why we should build right, build safe, and use the right professionals to avoid the menace building collapse that has been happening so far. We know we cannot abolish it totally, but we can reduce it. So after today, we are hoping that we'll be able to talk to someone, like we said, advocating to read right professionals to build our building and infrastructure. State governments will also keep, doing their awareness, which they already has begun, with other programs that they have outlined, the CAP and some other programs outlined, to also help advocate for this building collapse.
Whoever is a developer, building owner must engage the right professional to be on their project. Right from what we call the scoping stage. Once you have an idea, you get them involved. You tell them your plan. Let them be the designer. Let them be your advisor. Let them tell you what to do, the steps to go by. Now, once you engage them, you start with your material procurement. Now, the materials you intend to use, you must test them as I went due. All building protocols must be observed. Now, after doing that, the artisans, the technicians that you have to use, they have to be professionals too.
People do ask that in building collapse, who have we prosecuted? So that means that we need to strengthen our regulatory structure. We have the engineering monitoring committee in NSC, and we come together with other division of NSC. Nigerian Institute of Engineers is a division of NSC. So we continue to use our divisions and our branches to disseminate this information and to also to take action. So this is a part of reimaging and rebirthing NSC through its division. Is division of NSC that engineering is rebirthed, and that the Nigerian State of Engineers is also perceived as the society in charge of our responsibility and also in charge of our engineers to deliver on what we are supposed to do.